Tornado. Oh, nice one. So we have our tornado, and the glitter did help exemplify the twisting. So we conducted our experiment. Now we're going to collect our data. After 5 seconds of swirling the bottle and turning it upside down, which really helped, I see the water begin to swirl around inside the bottle, forming a tornado. So now, number 6, so first let's go over this. Ask a question. How does a tornado form? Hypothesis. Make an educated guess. I think tornadoes form when weather changes too quickly. Gather materials. Clean recycled 2-liter bottle. Remove the label so you can see what's going on inside, of course. Clean, clear water, dish soap, and glitter is optional. Then you're going to fill your recycled 2-liter soda bottle with clean water, 75% full, or what is the fraction for 75%? 3/4. 3/4, or 75% full. Add a small amount of dish soap. You just put a little squirt. And then sprinkle a little glitter if you have it. Swirl the bottle around in a counterclockwise motion. I also suggest turning it upside down. That really helped. Collect the data. And we said that after 5 seconds of swirling and turning it upside down, we saw our tornado form. Number 6 in our scientific method, analyze what happened and why. Either swirling the bottle around and turning it upside down causes the reaction between the soap and the water. And then we're going to go to our last part, which is report our results and share what you found. So spinning the water creates a vortex. Vortexes found in nature include tornadoes, hurricanes, and waterspouts. And a waterspout is a tornado that forms over the water. So, of course, I had to do a little extra research and take a closer look at tornadoes. So, tornadoes form when warm air collides with cold air. So, it's like a really hot, humid summer day, and then you hear that cold rain is coming in a storm. That is a good combination, the perfect combination to form a tornado. The cold coming in from the storm and the hot, warm air down below where we're hanging out. And then you want to take cover. Hurricanes form over water areas like oceans. The warm air off of the water rises and collides with the cooler air in the atmosphere. So pretty close to a tornado. But they're much bigger, much bigger, and they move over large expanses of areas. They really can affect a lot more than just one area. A tornado can be, depending on where it is on the Richter scale, can be pretty powerful, but hurricanes, they bring in the water off the ocean with them. So they are a lot bigger and more devastating, even though tornadoes can be quite devastating as well. So with a hurricane, this causes swirling rise of water and the air picks up speed, causing a hurricane. Now, water spouts. I really wanted to know about this because I've never seen one. Water spouts form when a tornado forms in the clouds above the water. So it's kind of backwards. And the winds pick up due to the thunderstorms. The push and shove motion between the clouds and the water causes rotation on a vertical axis. So vertical is straight up and down, where horizontal is across. So when you think about looking at a horizon, you are looking at straight across. And this would be vertical. Horizon, vertical. Okay, so I had a lot of fun with you today. And I want to thank you for joining us today and sharing your time with Center for Success. We are so grateful to have this experience with you and for the opportunity to be a part of your life. It's great to share a new opportunity for learning and a new form of community with you. Thank you so much, and we'll see you real soon. And I'm bringing Cody back for the next one since there was a huge demand for a Cody appearance. He will be back for the next science experiment. Thank you so much.